Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Just feel the place. The national anthem of Argentina rings out. This is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
And that gets things running. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, there's a player below, Peter, who loves the high intensity, and it's Lautaro Martinez. His very direct style, as well as the ability to change rhythm, I think he would go down well in a lot of other teams. But the way he likes to press in the final third, it's something that's often overlooked, something that contributes to that directness. He puts a big shift in.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Oh, good interception. This is Messi! Is it out of harm's way? More than happy to take the muscular approach. Has a pop! He's pulled off a fine save.
Di Maria simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Get that clear. Otamendi. Paredes. And it's Messi. And here's... And Martinez! Their attempt, the wrong outcome.
Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious.
Martinez. Dybala. Argentina, very much the team that started on the front foot.
Yeah, it's a good start, Peter, and they look hungry for goals, and they'll be aware of having to capitalise in such a good spell.
Morrison tries to get it forward quickly. Martinez! Goal! Argentina! And it's Argentina in front!
Well, that defence just wasn't expecting their midfield to mess up then, so when they did, they were caught completely cold by such a swift breakaway and such a well-worked finish too.
So, a breakthrough already. Hoists it forward. Johnson. Now it's Bailey. Now it's and Antonio! And the keeper barely had to move. Otamendi. And it's Messi. Now surely has a goal! Try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Needed a better pass there. He's made sure that that won't get through. Brown hoists it forward. Argentina scored early, of course, and the score is 1-0. Reed out to the right. He's gone for it! He's pulled off a fine save!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes work ultra sharp.
They've played it short. Can he deliver? Beautifully done. Looks to drop one in. Martinez tries to clear. Bailey. Hits one! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Defending of the desperate variety. Tagliafico. Paredes. Paredes plays it forward. Lo Celso. Tagliafico. Dybala. Lo Celso. And here's Messi. Lovely feet. And it's Dybala. Dybala. Real chance! Just fizzes past the post.
Paulo Dybala probably tried a bit too hard then. He should have relied on technique as opposed to power.
Johnson. And it's Messi. Lo Celso. Argentina leading by 1 and looking very comfortable on it. Shot at goal! Oh, brilliant! That is brilliant! About as smooth as it gets. 2 up and threatening to pull clear.
It's a keeper's nightmare, Peter. He just couldn't pick up on it until it was way too late, having so many bodies in front of him.
Argentina grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Johnson. Reed. Could move up a gear here. Lo Celso. And help's available out wide. Martinez. Martinez plays it in. Morrison. And it's Antonio. He gets past his man. He's left his man. Bailey. Proving impossible to wrestle off the ball. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. The half-time whistle goes. The opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Argentina sitting pretty here at half-time, 2-0 up. So off we go once more. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. Antonio spreads it towards the left. Ball driven towards the far post. And it's been taken short. Keeps everyone guessing. Martinez. Lo Celso. That's a decent ball. In he flies! Harmlessly behind.
Oh, now that was a chance. What a chance.
Well played, he saw that coming. Morrison with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. King. Pinnock. King. Stewart. Brown. Reed. And here's Johnson. Paredes demonstrating fabulous determination. He just will not be beaten. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Martinez. Martinez not easily shrugged off the ball. Di Maria. Oh, really good feet from him. Pinnock is there and he can get that clear. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Aimed in towards the centre. Looks to clip it forward. Goes for goal! They are rampant! And look
looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Argentina take a 3-goal lead and they are romping out of sight. And it's Antonio. Martinez goes looking. Forward it goes. Otamendi gets it back. Lo Celso. And Dybala! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Time for a change in personnel. Tagliafico gets into the right position to intercept. It's pretty clear that he's being singled out.
Yeah, now that he's scored, this defence is on high alert whenever he goes anywhere near the ball.
Ruth. Great save, that was not easy.
Jamaica are really feeling the strain now. Impatience has taken charge.
Towering header! That is a class save, he had to be at his best.
The defence did very well to be able to close him down in numbers like that. They basically suffocated his hopes.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Bailey. Yeah, he's fouled him there. The ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. Hoists it high, and he heaves it forward. Otamendi goes looking. He's made sure that that won't get through. Now a chance to break. Plays it long. That intervention was very necessary. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Jamaica making consecutive changes here.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Morrison with a definite foul there. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. It's on, has a hit! They've done it! It is no contest, it is a landslide.
What a great finish, but how about the touch? It just allowed him to put the ball exactly where he wanted it, and the rest became a formality.
Some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Yeah, I just think that's really good management, introducing one of his younger players when the pressure's totally off, just allowing him some valuable, easy on-field experience time.
Argentina totally rampant here. Stewart, McGeady, Pinnock, and it's played forward. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Plays it through. Messi. Oh, that's a foul in a dangerous area. He knew what was coming. That's a yellow card. His body language here is a bit grim. It is not looking great at all. Brown tries to get it forward quickly. Foyt. Martinez. Foyt. Just 5 minutes remaining now. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. He's spotted the run and played him through. He's had a go! And he can't put it away. Sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Lo Celso. Foyt. Messi looking to run onto it. He's there to hoof it away. Big chance! That is faded wide. There's going to be another change here.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
Roof. He's gone for it! Lo Celso drives it forward. Lo Celso, 2 assists to his credit already. He's the chance! And he's missed it. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Great day for attacking football. The artists have painted their pretty pictures. Only one team in it. Will you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
It was a very good game, played in the right spirit with a fitting atmosphere.